Hi. This took me so long. Rate it from 1 to 50. Tell me in the comments what I should draw next. I hope you like it.